Some of them are boy are glad say Rygin King in a wheelchair. You see me, my fans them know, the girl them know, everybody know, they glad. Remember say I'm me are in competition, you know. You see what I say? You understand? Remember, I'm me are in competition. Just look at daddy man.
No man
easy. No man no ball to me, daddy. You don't know them way there?
Okay.
So yeah dog. So all of them are boy up. See, I been know that and sitting. Remember, you know, dancehall. You see things what me wouldn't do for some people, me realize that them would do. Because if me did realize say one of my fellow dancehall artists end up in a situation like this, you see me? Some things what Rygin King wouldn't do. It wouldn't be known. Say yo dog, the dog really sure say yo, alright, he might look out for somebody where did there. You know, but me don't see how them a boy a play the game already. You see what I say?
What one my families and friends, make we get straight into the video you know and talk about it. I see where dancehall artist Rygin King, he went live and he might lick out pan the dancehall artist them. Yeah man, he must say right now the dancehall artists them are fussy, them all for themselves, them not willing for work with each other, a pure fight against. And he must say right now him a them competition. And them glad, and enough of them glad say him in the wheelchair. Because if he wasn't in the wheelchair, them know say the competition that stiff. And him say even though him in the wheelchair, girls still a do the things them to him. Him still a make crazy music. Him still a make crazy money and a take care of kids them. Yeah man, him say some man a go on like say dancers tap a for them alone foot. Them not willing for work together. He must say look on Afrobeats. He must say look pan rap. The rapper them not like each other, but them still work together. And I kind of agree with what I say. We need more collaboration from the dancehall artists them. It's like everybody a fight to be the man or to be the woman. So me get what I say. You understand? Yeah man. Guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. You're watching The Scoop with Michelle. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and make we talk about it. Yeah man, so as me I say guys, Rygin King, he ma lick out, he ma rant, he ma lick out against the dancehall artists, them. He ma say every man is all for themselves. And he ma say some of them glad same in the wheelchair. Him say, from him in the wheelchair, no dancehall artists don't show up for him. No dancehall artists no help him. And if it was the other way around, where this happened to one of his fellow dancehall artists, he would have do some things. People would have to talk about it because he would have been there for them. You understand?
And guess what, no, brother? We no ball to no man. You never hear me come on no media yet, you know, and say, yo, dog, you couldn't do me a way. You know them way there? Brother, that's how I know some of them are boy out there and mad. You see me I say? Me do my bumbo clap music, bro. God said we are, and please my fans them said we, bro. Me still a tour, bro. God, you see what me I say? Me still a take care of me youth, them, bro. You see what me I say? Me still a make sure, brother, I'm still a living modest life, bro. God, you see what me I say? Girl still a make a wheelchair youth. You see what me I say? Just believe me. You understand what me I say? So guess I don't know nothing can't tap it, bro. You see what me I say? I just them a boy and me done see say youth. Instead of they said so boom and come together. We make a thing look real wicked, bro G. Because I guess I remember, look how Afro take off on a different pace, bro G. And you see man them a collab with them one another. Same like how you see Bumbo Clat, he rapper them. They don't like them one another and them a collab with them one another, bro. You see what me I say? But guess I know no. Some of them are boy, I'm sure you about them a money in a dancehall, dog. They go on like dancehall tap a feed them foot or a one liquor thing. They make dancehall look like a liquor thing. More showing the example what me I talk about. Them boy make dancehall look like a liquor thing, like it's like I want drinks jug, and I'm gonna make sure say yo him can get as much of this a drink. Say all the film cup full. Him a make sure say yo him drink some, or he make film cup run over. Cause I don't want this I'm gonna forget none. Brother go suck mama, brother. Go suck mama, daddy. That can't happen. Bro, dancehall bigger than the bumbo claw little jug of drinks the way you talk about youth. Or little cake there, brother, where you want yam off. And you feel like nobody not forget you want to do. Bro, I more than want somebody make the thing tough, youth. You see what I say? More than want somebody make the thing tough.
Me see some people in the comment section, I say, I wonder if a Vibes Cartel him attack. But I don't think a Vybz Kartel him attack, because Rygin King been a say these things. A long time he must say these things, say the artists them now work together. He must say these things from Vybz Kartel in a prison. He must say the artists them, everybody want to be the man. Everybody all for themselves. Yeah man, everybody want to eat off the cake. Them no want to give nobody else a slice. Him say the artists they make dancehall look like it is a small thing. It's a small thing. Them one just want to eat the cake and drink off the juice. Instead of just working with each other and make the thing widespread. Yeah man, because to be honest, Afrobeat come like say, it a come overthrow dancehall. Because as Rygin say, the artists them now work together. I remember, a teamwork make the dream work. A teamwork make the dream work. You have to come together as one. Left the bad mind alone, left out the bad levity. Yeah man, I'm a colleague. A colleague was in an unfortunate situation. And in a wheelchair and want to tell me say, no go visit him, no offer him no help, no offer him no collaboration. Remember, Rygin is a tough artist, Him sound ignorant and everything in the video, but probably I'm frustration make him sound like this. Although him always have a little hype thing to him, I'm not gonna lie. Rygin King always is a hype artist. You understand? Him go always speak his mind. But with all of that, him in an unfortunate situation where he's confined to a wheelchair. And none of them never offer a helping hand. None of them never reach out to him. It look like what I gather from dancehall artists, them love to hype on each other. Them worship vanity more than humanity. Yeah man. All of them have vanity uno put over humanity. And that me find out. Uno just in this game, if you say who can, we're not even talking musically no guys. We're not talking musically. We are talking about material things. Uno life is show off on each other with material. Who can acquire the most money, the biggest car, the biggest house, the prettiest girl them, the most girl them, who can fly out the most regular, who can book the most stage show. Yeah. And them something they want to do to each other. Instead of just coming together and work as one. You understand? It's not a good look for dancehall.
Then study how Rygin King release music, then study how Rygin King sing song, study how Rygin King move, study how Rygin King dress. Brother, man a trendsetter, brother. You see what I say? We not talk about, we no business about gatekeeper, because I see somebody comment gatekeeper. We no business nothing about gatekeeper, because let me show you this. Gatekeeper never had nothing to do with my boss, When me boss, it was like a bumbo clad fence, because we did done, say fuck. I tell her when we reach in here, so then turn around and I look and I wonder, say, how we overpower them, how we reach in our room. You see what I say? Bro God, let me tell you this, daddy. Me dey out here I go and do what me have to do in the meantime. Said we are going to do my therapy and me have forward out with my album. And guess what? Brother, me not have to jump on some man case for the release nothing, daddy. When me I release nothing. Me not have to go on like say, alright, me go this 2 man I know and say yo, me go release a song. Because me not do none of them style there, brother. You see what me I say? None of them the thing there, bro. Like, you see what me I say? Remember, bro. I'm telling you, somehow, a 100 man mind before on reach in a dog. No man never look for Rygin King and buy Rygin King a boat or a shows yet in a youth. So brother, with time I get you to not go and do the dog and just love the time them youth and brother, I don't understand you know want jump a line and skip a line and go on like say dancehall. I want somebody something. Brother, I want to 30 youth kind of dancehall and the whole of we eat. And the whole of we make the world know say you a dancehall this. And nobody now fear say you're rare. You see me? Look, Jamaica a littlest thing when it come on to bumbo clot, alright, one country. You see me? Look how the country look. And uno are most here against one another. Brother, in everything Jamaican hate them one another, brother. Brother, I not agree on no more while youth. Me all there some place more while and me telling them say dog more while me see all go on some way and me I say January youth. I wanna make them a thing happen to you, Make people feel like say yo, we are most. outrageous or we go on some type of we are this and that and anything there. But guess what, brother? You see me, to each his own, bro. You see me I say? I'm telling you, brother, I want to mother and left a bomb buckler bad mind thing alone, youth. You see me, because I remember I'm in a wheelchair and I never see one of you hate and bad mind and I call and I say, yo, dog, me I beg you no collab or me I beg you no strength, bomb wall. You see me? Let me tell you that. We feel like say me no know say no happy. No found that me no look for no dog. I me no want brother look for my time, yo. Look for my time. Look for my time for me hand daddy. That let me tell you this. I know me tell you me you see me hold out until me can do what me can for my thing and suit my thing, bro. You see me? Remember, bro, me I do this so long, you know, bro. We are below some apartment and much sitting and we are do all kind of sitting, bro, G. I'm telling you one no like when bumbucklad people sensible. That's why I'm forward out and say dance. Cause you see me? I when some of them realize I'm too sensible, brother. I notice how they deal me. They must say, no, they have to go do some things quick. Cause they must say, Rygin too sensible youth. You see me? They have to say dance, but them man are mafia. Them man deal with the thing different. I say I'm my style, I say I'm my thing you them watch, bro. You see me? You understand me? I say, bro, we don't have to elaborate for enough things right there. So as me a bomb buckler say, you see me? Me all a job song tomorrow. I never forward to nobody yet and say, yo, Rygin. And I move like say we are this nobody and anything there, bro. Because we are got job song and anything there, bro. Everything what I'm tell people like this Friday day. I tell them this Friday day, bro. I don't like them style. Anytime me say, see bad things are going or anything bad happen to the artist, them brother, me see highlight that the most, bro. Me see push that the most. You see what me I say? Right now, if the artist them let go on music, bro, God, me no see push it like that, dog. You see me? Me no see push it like that, bro. Me no see push it like that, bro. You see what I say? It's so, when me see I go on, me see yo, I push so look I go on before I say, yo, brother, you know the thing daddy and re. You see what I say? Yeah, dog, come don't tell you.
So basically what Rygin King I say, guys, him never get no help from no artist. Him say jump the fence and reach in a dancehall. And enough of them I wonder how him reach. You understand? And nobody help him up. Him no know no artist will give him a bus. Him jump the fence and him reach in a dancehall. And he's still an advocate for unity. Because I say, most people run with negativity when them see like two artists at each other. You understand that them run with instead of them say, we come together and work as one. Them love the division thing. They don't love the togetherness. You understand? But for a long time, dancehall is a controversial thing, you know. Yeah, but at 2024 now, a new era. We approach 2025, the artists ain't can come together now and live good and collaborate and put out good music. And just live as one. You understand? Yeah, man. Rygin King, him talk ignorant and him talk angry. But I guess him frustration or him deliver him message. You know, him sound a little bit arrogant in his delivery. But me get exactly what I try to say. Every artist is all for themselves. They don't know how to work together. Them don't know nothing about teamwork. Them don't know nothing about helping their fellow fallen colleagues when them need help. They make dancehall look like it is a small ball where you roll up. When dancehall is such a big genre, you understand? So them need to come together and live as one and work together, collaborate with each other. Lend a helping hand where it is needed. You see one of your fellow colleagues a fall, raise him up. Instead of the segregation and the bad living. Yeah, man, that him I try to say. The man say, they make dancehall look small. They make dance because everybody want this slice of cake to eat it off for themselves. Everybody want to drink off the jug of juice. And it no work so. A teamwork make the dream work. But guys, let me know in the comment what you think about this story. You don't think Rygin King right? The artists they need to come together and you think Rygin King just ignorant and upset because probably not have a hot song road right now. Make me know what you think. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself, spread love. I'm out.